Hello, welcome to our guide on setting up GitHub Actions for CI/CD completely free. In this video, we will walk you through automate your build, test, and deployment process directly within GitHub. GitHub Action offer an easy and scalable way to streamline your development workflow without any additional cost. So let's get started. So I'll open my GitHub desktop. So create a new repository. Name the repository name as YT hyphen GitHub actions hyphen node.js hello world. Okay, let's create this repository and push this repository. Okay, just a minute. So I have pushed this to private, so we need to create a new repository, guys. New repository, name the repository as YT node.js git action. Okay, JS I will write. New repository, push the repository, make it as public, and push this repository. And let's open this repository in Visual Studio Code now. Open in Visual Studio Code. So let's open the terminal now. npm init -y. So after that, we need here express npm install express. Okay. So I'll go to GitHub Actions now. I'll write some scripts here like dev script. So node1 index.js and another is start. So node index.js. Also I will install this node1, guys. npm install node1. So till the time I will create one file here, that is index.js file, and const express is equals to require express and app is equals to express, and let's const port with 3000 and let's get API and hello world. Okay, and at last app.listen and app example app is listening on port. Okay, or else we will give server is running on localhost 3000. Okay, so everything is fine. So let's start this npm run dev. So it has started, guys. Also it will work fine. So I'll push this code to GitHub now. So we need the another file as gitignore and I will disallow here node model slash. Okay, now if I'll come here again, so I'll give here first commit and commit to main branch. So I have pushed this code. If I will go to GitHub now, so if I'll refresh this, so you can see this code has added to our GitHub. I will open this now. Okay, so let's now open our GitHub account and let's create here VPC first. Okay, so I'll search here VPC and open this VPC and click on your VPC and create a VPC. Let's name the VPC as YT Git Action VPC. Okay, and CIDR I will take as 10.0.0.0/16 and create VPC, guys. Okay, if I'll go to VPC now, and this is the VPC, guys. Just we have created. Go to route maps. Currently we are not having subnet internet gateway. We are not having one route table has created, guys. Okay, with the VPC. So let's next move to subnets now and create subnet and select your VPC which we have created and let's name the VPC as YT subnet G. Okay, that is GitHub Actions, and the subnet CIDR will be 10.0.1.0 slash 24. Okay, so 256 IPs we have allowed, and create subnet. Okay, so I'll go to your VPC in the route mapping. So once subnet has added with the route table, you can see now we have to attach the internet to the subnet. Okay, so I will go to internet gateway now and create internet gateway. Let's name the internet gateway as YT IGW, like internet gateway, and create internet gateway. Now go to internet gateway, click on this, go to actions, attach the VPC, like we will attach this VPC, guys, okay, and attach the internet gateway. If I will go to your VPC now in the route mapping, so internet also have, but it is not attached to the subnet to access the internet. Okay, so in the route table we need to mention that. Go to route table now, select your route table, which is this YT, and go to routes and edit routes, add routes, select 0 and internet gateway. Inside this we will get this internet gateway which we have created, and save the changes. Okay, now go to subnet association, edit subnet association, and click on this and save association. Okay, if I will go now to VPC route mapping, you can see internet gateway has attached to our subnet. Okay, now let's create the instances. So I was in the instances now. Okay, so let's click on launch instance. Let's name the instance name as YT instance like G. Okay, next take the machine as Ubuntu and come down. Also guys, we need one thing like security group which we haven't created. So before this we will create security group. So open this in new tab. Let's come here and click on create security group. Let's name the security group as my SG or G. Okay, GitHub Action -SG I will give. Okay, security group, and let's give any descriptions and select the VPC. This VPC I will select. Okay, which we have created, and add the inbound rules. Like we will allow here SSH to do SSH to our instance, and add HTTP guys. Okay, HTTP, and allow all the ports. Okay, also HTTPS, and allow from anywhere. Actually, we are running our code at uh, 3000, but we are not allowing here by using the nginx. Okay, we will redirect whatever the request is coming on 3000. We will redirect which is coming on the port 80. We will redirect to 3000 internally. Okay, and come down, create security group. So it is saying, so custom anywhere I will give. Okay, inbound rules, create security group. Our security group also has created. Now come to EC2 again. So I will go to EC2 again and launch instances. Click again on this, and let's name it as YT instance G. Okay, take the Ubuntu machine and come down. Yeah, let's create a key. So I'll name it as GA key. Okay, also it has downloaded. You can do by using this PAM key SSH. Now go to network setting, click on this edit, select your VPC which you have created, like that is YT Git Action VPC, and the subnet only which we have created. Okay, only one we have created. If we have created more, it will be displayed here. Okay, I'll click on this now and select the existing security group that we have created, right? My GASG we have created just. Okay, and allow public IP. I will enable it to access it publicly, and launch instance. Click on launch instance. Now if I'll go to instances now and refresh this, so our instance is running. Okay, also I will do now SSH here. So guys, we have successfully SSH'd here. Now let's sudo apt -get update. After that, we need here Node.js to run our Node.js app. Okay. Also, we need Nginx, right? Just I have said like we need to redirect port 80 to 3000. Okay. For that, we need Nginx also. Also, PM2 server to run our Node.js app in active way. Like if you will disconnect the SSH also, it should work internally. Okay. So we need PM2 for that. So paste this command. So whatever the command I was executing here, I will give in the description. You can check out. Okay. So just we have executed this command. Okay, this one I'll give in the description. You can check that. Now we will install Node.js. So to install that, sudo apt-get install Node.js. Okay. After that, we need to install Nginx. Okay. So let it be installed. So it has installed, guys, you can see. So let's verify node-v. So version, so okay, node-v we need to execute. So what is the version? So 22 version has installed, guys, and npm-v if I'll give. So npm 10.9 has installed. Okay. Now let's install nginx. Okay. Sudo apt-get install nginx. Okay. So nginx also installed. Now let's install PM2 server. Okay, guys. So to install that, we need to execute npm I PM2 PM2 as global. Okay. Also, we need to execute with the sudo command. So let it be installed. Till that time, what we will do, I will go to GitHub now. So this is our GitHub. Go to Actions now here. In the Actions, come down. You can see in the continuous integration, this is Node.js. Okay, configure it. Click on Configure and remove this one, and also verify in which branch you are. Currently, I was using main branch, so I'll give as it is, and runs on self-hosted Unity. Okay, HOSTD hosted. Now, as we have installed 22, I will give here 22 only. Node server, and I will come down. So instead of this, I will execute here sudo pm2 restart index.js. Okay, so everything is fine, guys. Let's do commit. Yeah, this file has added to our node.js.git work folder. Inside that, node.js.yaml file is added. Okay, so this is the runners in the workflow. If I'll click on this and this, so one job has started, guys. Okay, so before that, what we need to do to run this job, okay, in our server, so go to settings, go to actions, go to runners, then new self-hosted runner we need to click and select the machine. Okay, in our case we are using Linux, so I'll select Linux, and these commands, okay, you need to execute in our EC2. Just copy this and paste it here. The similar way, all the command we need to copy and paste, guys. Okay, so I'll copy this one also and paste it. Now copy the third one Come here and paste it. Let's copy the fourth one and paste it. Now go to configure, copy this token and paste it here. Yeah, paste it. Now come here again. Yeah, after that it is saying to run the step /run.sh. Okay, so to do that. So you can see it is authenticated and it is giving some actions to select. Okay, so I'll give default. Just I'll click enter. Okay, whatever it is asking. Okay, so if I will do ls here, you can see one file is there. Okay, svs.sh. Now if I will go to again GitHub and refresh this and go to runners, you can see this self-hosted runner. Okay, this runner is offline now. Okay, to do is online. So what we need to do, just come here and sudo dot slash svsh install we need to execute. And another thing, we we should start this. Okay, start. So it has activated it, guys. Okay, the runner is activated. If I will come again here, you can see if I'll refresh this, let's wait. So now the runner is inactive. Active is nothing but some job is running in the backend. Okay, if it is idle means no job is uh, running, but it is connected to our EC2. Okay, if I'll go to actions now, so you can see one job has running here. Okay, inside the running. See, if I'll click on this here, all the logs will be displayed. Okay, so this command has failed, guys. Okay, sudo apt and pm2 just I think it has started. Okay, so we are getting some issues. We will resolve this. Okay, so instead of restart, we will do first start and then we will do restart. Okay, so I'll come here again, and if I'll do ls here, there is a file underscore work. Okay, so I'll go to work and I will do ls now. So in the ls you can see our yt node.js project. Okay, so I will go to there yt and I'll do ls, and again there is a folder. I'll do ls now. So if I'll execute here pm2 start, and after start if I will execute index.js, so you can see it is in the online mode, guys. Okay, also actually it is running in the backend. Okay, so if I'll copy this URL and if I'll paste it here, so you can see nginx. Okay, instead of this, if I will go to /API/v1, okay, slash, if I will give like this, so it should open, it should call our node.js app. To achieve this, what you need to do, just come here in our EC2 and clear the screen. So PM2 is running in the backend, guys. Okay, so we need to go to cd etc/nginx, guys. Okay, and do nano. If I'll do ls here, there is a folder. Okay, the folder is site availabilities. Okay, I will go to this sites available and do ls. There is a default. Okay, so I'll do here nano with the sudo command. Okay, sudo nano default. Okay, if I'll enter here, so this file is there. Okay, so Upon the location, we need to configure that. Okay. So whenever the request is coming on port 80, means on this URL, okay, on this URL, if the request is coming, we need to redirect to total this uh, request is coming. So we need to redirect to port 3000, guys. Okay. So how to achieve that? I'll come here and I will paste some command here. Okay, I will paste here and location slash API slash v1 slash, okay, v1 slash, if the request is coming, proxy path should go to 3000 port. Okay, and what I will do, just I will execute control S and control X. Okay, everything is fine. Now I will execute the command sudo uh, system ctl restart nginx. Okay, and I will enter, press enter. If I'll come here again, you can see we are able to access. Okay, so if I'll go to GitHub again and if I'll do some changes in our API, like I will say hello world from Asif Khan. Okay, and I will push the code, guys. Okay, I'll go to Git. Think we didn't save, control S. If I'll come here, so this is the change. Okay, and I will do the change, I will do the comment, second commit, and I will click commit to main. Okay, so if I will go to GitHub now, okay, if I will refresh this actions, yeah, so second commit, you can see this commit has executed. If I will come here and go to completed jobs inside the builder, you can see it has started. Okay, running. So guys, instead of executing this with sudo, we need to directly execute with pm2, guys. Okay, so let's go to git. I'll go to git nodemon. Okay, instead of doing like sudo, I'll execute with pm2 again, and I will go to GitHub desktop and just I will commit here. Okay, leave start commit and do the commit to main and push the code. So I'll go to GitHub again and we'll go to actions. The third commit has executed. So I'll come here and click on this complete build. So job has started, guys. Okay, let's see whether our command is executing or not. So guys, you can see PM2 is executed successfully. Okay, and our job has completed. So it is completed, you can see. Okay, now if I will come here and I will refresh this, you can see hello world from Asif Khan. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye.